Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back again with another video. Today's video, we're going to be restoring this 3/4 inch drive ratchet. So, stay tuned. So, the first thing we're going to do is take a wire brush and just brush off any loose rust that we can. Okay, and now taking our bucket. Now this bucket's not big enough for this ratchet, so I'm gonna pretty much just squeeze it on in there. And we're gonna take some evaporust, put it right in there, let it sit for 24 hours. Take it out and see how it looks. So, can't fit a whole bunch more in there. Probably just have it sit like that, and then in 24 hours, I'll just rotate it and we will go from there. Okay, so here we go. After 48 hours in the evaporust, and then I also added some WD-40 just to help free up the 2 screws, along with the screw right there, which this is still not working, so I'm gonna try and take this off right here. Get a better angle for you guys. So we got one out. So this one's giving me some trouble, so that's finally off. we go. Look at all that crud in there. Looks like it was greased at one point. What I'm gonna do is get these springs out of here, hoping not lose any. The other jaw's out now. So it is spinning. So that's a good sign. Let's see. Nope. If you guys want to support this channel, be sure to check out the merch website that I have down in the comments section below, where you can get cool hats like this, Dan's Restorations. We also have shirts, sweatshirts, other hats, beanies, mugs, all kinds of other stuff, more added all the time. Here's a picture of one of our newest sweatshirts right here. Okay, so that I had to use my micro Torx, and it was a T8 that I had to hammer onto it. Now should be able to pull that right out. Pull that clip out. Clean the insides. If you can see, but it is filthy in there. So now, I need to try and hammer that out now. Take this 4-pound dead blow hammer, see if that'll get it out. Not wanting to budge. Take some WD-40. See if that'll change its mind. Nice. Let's see. There we go. There we go, fully out now. So what I think I'm going to do now is have it soak in a Vaporust for another 24 hours per side just to clean out all the insides, and we will go from there. So, come back in a day or so, check the progress. Okay, so now we are going to be doing some cold bluing. Now when you use this, you want to make sure you have hand protection and eye protection because it is poisonous and it is really hot and humid out, so these gloves aren't really sticking to my hands are sticking to my hands. So right now I'm using this Super Blue by Birchwood. It's taking a brush and just painting it on. It says to let it sit for about 30 seconds or so, then rinse with cold water, and then dry it. And then you can take a steel wool, just run it all over, and then apply second coat, and then repeat, do a third coat to whatever shade you want. So just make sure you're wearing eye protection and hand protection because you do not want to get this on you. So let this sit for 30 seconds or so. I'll rinse it off. I'll show you how it looks, and then I'll apply a second coat. I will be right back. And already with one coat, you can see a pretty good difference. So now I will apply a second coat. And again, wait about 30 seconds or so. And then rinse and repeat. Okay, so here we are. I ended up not liking the bluing. It just turned it kind of like a brownish color. So instead I just took some flat black and I just painted it. Piece right there. So now we are going to install it all. Just adding a little bit of grease to this. You'll notice there are 2 flat spots on here. Those flat spots go right there. Best way that I've found about getting that rod in there through that hole is by pushing down There we go. All right. Now let's continue. Adding a set screw. Now the springs. So first, put this in. So as you can see right here, when I go this way, fully disengages. When I go this way, partly disengages. So, I'm going to loosen this set screw up a little bit. Now, should be plenty of room for it to ratchet on both sides. So we'll reinstall it. Now it's not going at all. Okay, so I finally got it to work. There's the set screw on the inside. It has to be in the exact right spot, or else either the tooth isn't going to, or the pawl isn't going to retract the right way, or if it's too high up, then it's going to just keep contacting this housing. So I found the right spot. So now so there we have it. This is the Lowell Corporation from Worcester, Massachusetts, number 23. Now I thought this was a 3/4 inch square drive. Turns out it is a 5/8 square drive. So what I plan on doing is trying to find the male square drive to put in here and have like maybe a 5/8 to 3/8 adapter, or 5/8 to 1/2 inch adapter, or 5/8 to 1 inch adapter, but we shall see. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you very much. Have a great day.